Ahoy there, everybody. Welcome back. It's Captain Grant. There's been some things and stuff that's happened. Stay tuned. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been kind of MIA. Work picked up. I'm like neck deep in audits and all that jazz. I don't know what to call it. Audits, questionnaires, assessments, the whole take a pick. So I've been doing that. Twitch streaming, I've been doing that during the weekend, which has actually picked up quite a bit lately. I just had my birthday 2 days ago. Today's August 25th? Yes, 25th. I had an amazing, I took the day off from work. I streamed during the morning. Unbelievable support came out from the PUBG console community. They showed up in force. I mean, I got raids from like the Gaming Nacho, you can do it, Yuki and do it. Just, I mean, it literally was like one of the best birthdays I could have ever like imagined. I honestly didn't know what to really expect by streaming on my birthday. I did last year, and don't get me wrong, that was an absolutely amazing stream, but this year was just like, it blew me away. Like, I was so overwhelmed after I got done streaming, after I raided out to another streamer, and he even had some celebration things for me for my birthday for his stream. So as soon as I raided him, and granted, I had no idea he was going to do this at all. I raided him, Jer Game World. I'll have all the links down below too, so you guys can check them out. I literally raided his channel, and I mean, I wish I clipped it or someone clipped it, because oh my god, like, it went nuts in there. And I was already like overwhelmed. Like, I was like, I got emotional. Okay, I know that sounds really weird, and for me, I don't really get all that emotional ever. So for this stuff to really impact me, really kind of, it got me, you know. But, you know, hands off, hats off, hands off, hands off. No, hats off to everyone that came by, gave some support, you know, and wished me happy birthday. I mean, unbelievable. I mean, I'm still kind of like processing everything that happened. So that was one of the biggest things that happened since my last motovlog that we did. I do have another motovlog that I did record in between then and now, and I'm still trying to decide if I want to edit it or if I want to redo it. The video was about buying a Victory motorcycle in the year 2022. Is it worth it? You know, and Shade Tree just came out with his own Victory motorcycle video, so that's why I kind of like, I recorded mine like 2 to 3 weeks before his, and then his came out, and I went, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to release my video or not. I might re-record it later on today on my way home. So, other than that, I also am now an affiliate for Rogue Energy. I ended up trying some Rogue Energy out, and you know, energy drinks for me are kind of a hit or miss kind of thing. If they have too much caffeine, I get a headache and I get like all jittery. If they don't mix well, they taste chalky and really bad. Go ahead. turning right anyway. Jesus Christ. Yeah, if energy drinks don't mix well, they're chalky, they're thick. Oh, I like them thick. No, I do not like energy drinks thick. They have to have like no sugar, because I do plan on going back to doing the whole keto thing, because I really need to. Another thing with energy drinks, they give me heartburn. If the amino complex that they have in them isn't right, especially if they have too much niacin or well, actually caffeine, anything over like 200 milligrams of caffeine, I get the worst heartburn. So, I've tried G Fuel, I've tried Bang, I've tried Ghost, I've tried Sneak, I've tried what's that other one? Poggers? Yeah, Poggers. And I just couldn't, none of them were right. And I ended up trying out, because Gaming Nacho, one of my Twitch friends, he recently got partnered with Rogue, and he suggested, try it out. I got a couple sample packets, I tried it out, and so they have a hydration line, they have an energy line, and then they have like a pre-workout extreme energy line. I'm going. So I did the hydration line, which is basically full of electrolytes, your vitamin B's, some aminos, just kind of like a powdered Gatorade kind of mix. And then I went with some energy. I didn't go to the extreme route, because the extreme route has too much caffeine for my liking, where the energy line just has 170 milligrams of caffeine, which for me is below the 200. I'm like, okay, let's give it a shot. I used to work at GNC. I know a bit about nutrition when it comes to your vitamins and nutrients and stuff like that. So, I looked at the label, I looked at all the components that they had in it, and it was right up my alley. So I got those in, I tried them out. I kind of thought on it for about a week. Itchy nose. So I thought about it for about a week, just trying to decide, is this something I want to put my name on? Do I want to say, I'm Captain Granite, here's my affiliate link for Rogue Energy. I have to believe in it. If I'm going to put my name to be with it, I have to believe in it. And after the week of trying it every day, I did hydration every day, I did energy every day. I started hydration in the morning, and right around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, when you'd have like that after lunch kind of crash, boom, I'd have the energy. And you know what? I can officially say that I 100% approve of it. I had no crash after taking the energy. The hydration, I mean, I felt hydrated. I could go into the details of my urine color, but I'm not going to. For the record, it wasn't yellow. I am just floored, because I joined their Discord too. I signed up for their affiliate program. I did put in an email for their partnership program. I don't know if I'll get accepted for that. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm definitely going to give it a go. And guys just sitting behind the old friendlies. It's such a sneaky thing to do. Protect and serve and hide behind a friendlies. Gotcha. I love cops. I love cops. But he sat there every single day this week, just sitting there on his phone. Like, get out and actually patrol. Do something. You're not going to catch anyone speeding through Union Ave by McDonald's. I say that it's 33, I'm going 35. Anyway, I digress. Rogue Energy. There's a link to Rogue Energy in my link tree. I'll have the link tree below in my little things. I don't think I actually have my link tree down there. I might have to fix that, but it's in there. Use that link. Use coupon code CAPTAIN, all caps with the K. It has to be spelled the right way. And you'll get 10% off your order. They do free sample packs as well. So basically, you can order a free sample pack. All you have to do is pay for shipping. You get to your choice of 3 flavors. They'll send them right to you, and then you pay for shipping. I think shipping's like $5. Try it out. That's all. That's what I'm saying. Just try it out. See what you think. Let me know. Let me know if you're gonna start getting it, and we can, you know, use my code, use my link, whatever. I do get some kickback for it. But I want people to experience it too, because like I said, there's a lot of energy drink companies out there, and I've tried a bunch of them, and I will say that Rogue is by far the best I have tried. They are the friendliest people too, especially in the Discord. There's one lady in there, LaShonda, absolutely the nicest person you'd ever meet. And she's actually going to be coming to New Hampshire this year for foliage. So she's going to be checking out all the nice, pretty dead leaves. But yeah, I hope you guys try it out. Let me know. And I'm glad to be back. I know this season's been a bit of a hit miss, hasn't it? I'll be the first one to admit it. And I do apologize for that. I really didn't know what to fully expect when it came to the baby and the time constraints and everything. I'm still working on it, but we have still seen growth in the channel. Every single day it seems like we're getting a new subscriber, so thank you guys for continuing to support and sharing my videos and just being absolutely one of the best communities I've ever been a part of. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I love you guys. And we're gonna get as many videos as I can out before the end of the season. But I want to say thank you to everyone. Be sure to check out all my links below: my Instagram, my Twitch, my Twitter, Facebook, whatever, everything. I'm everywhere. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Be safe out there. Love you.
And after it's all over, you say, "Oh, what a lovely tea party."